All right, now to this. If you've been hearing your car make a funny noise this week, this might be the reason why. You're probably going to want to check the wheels. All the snow has been getting caught in driver's wheels. It makes sounds, it shakes the car, you hold the steering wheel, it feels like something's wrong with your suspension. It's called a snow imbalance. It can feel exactly like that, like you get a problem on a tire or a suspension. We talked with the mechanic at Ron's Toy Shop in Manchester. He says it can be a pretty simple fix.
So the simplest remedy is just to go to a coin-operated car wash and just blast it out with the water. You might get lucky and it might rattle itself free and just come apart. But in most cases, centrifugal force just kind of holds it there.
Now, if the wheels are big enough, you could be able to force it out. The good news here is they tell us this won't destroy your car or anything like that. They say the ice will eventually break free when the temperatures go up or from the heat of the brakes.